Terraria running poorly, you're likely experiencing low FPS, frames per second, or lag. Low FPS makes the game look choppy and unresponsive, while lag introduces delays between your actions and the game's response. Aim for a stable 60 FPS for a smooth experience. This video will guide you through fixing these issues on both PCs and laptops. To ensure Terraria runs smoothly, start by checking that your PC meets the game's system requirements. The minimum specifications include a DirectX 11 compatible GPU, 4 GB of RAM, and a dual-core CPU. For the best experience, especially when using mods, aim for more powerful hardware, like an NVIDIA RTX 30 series GPU. You can also use an AMD RX 6000 series card for excellent performance. However, laptops may face challenges due to thermal throttling, which reduces performance to prevent overheating, and shared RAM limitations. Older PCs often have outdated components that create performance bottlenecks, especially during demanding gameplay. Understanding your specific hardware setup is key to optimizing Terraria's performance on your system. Terraria's graphics settings can significantly impact performance. Reduce the render distance, especially if you have an older GPU. Lowering particle effects can also help. Experiment with disabling lighting effects. These adjustments can free up your GPU and boost FPS, particularly on laptops with integrated graphics. Graphics settings directly affect FPS by controlling how much your GPU has to process each frame. Reduce render distance, especially on older GPUs. This limits how far the game draws terrain, reducing GPU workload and improving FPS. Lowering particle effects can help by reducing the number of moving visual elements the GPU must render each frame. Experiment with disabling lighting effects. This can provide a noticeable FPS boost by reducing complex light calculations. These settings adjustments can free up your GPU and boost FPS, particularly beneficial for laptops using integrated graphics instead of dedicated GPUs. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of performance issues in Terraria, leading to lower FPS and compatibility problems. For NVIDIA graphics cards, update your drivers through the GeForce Experience application. For AMD graphics cards, update your drivers through the Radeon Adrenalin software. These updates often include optimizations specifically for games like Terraria, providing a significant FPS boost and fixing compatibility issues. This is especially important if you are using new hardware. Mods can add a ton of content to Terraria, but they also heavily impact performance. Popular mods like Calamity and Thorium introduce thousands of entities, straining your system's resources. To manage this, try disabling mods one by one to identify any major FPS culprits. Consider using performance-enhancing mods like Fast Extra Update, which limits entity ticks to improve FPS without sacrificing gameplay. Always check the mods page for known performance issues and recommended settings. Many players use Terraria Overhaul for significant FPS boosts. Background applications like antivirus software, Discord, or web browsers can consume CPU cycles and RAM, directly impacting Terraria's performance by causing low FPS and lag. These applications run in the background, using system resources that Terraria could use for smoother gameplay. Common culprits include antivirus programs, communication apps, and web browsers with multiple tabs. For example, Discord may use CPU for voice processing, while antivirus software constantly scans for threats, both potentially reducing available resources for Terraria. To manage these background processes, use Windows Task Manager. Press Ctrl-Shift-S to open it quickly, then check the Processes tab to see which applications are using the most CPU, memory, disk, or network resources. In the Processes tab, sort by CPU or memory to identify heavy users. The Performance tab shows overall system usage, helping you spot bottlenecks before they affect your game. Once identified, right-click on resource-intensive processes and select End Task to close them safely. By closing unnecessary background applications before launching Terraria, you prioritize the game and ensure it has access to the CPU cycles and RAM it needs for optimal performance. Laptops require specific optimizations due to their compact design and shared resources. We'll cover power settings, thermal monitoring, and cooling techniques to prevent performance drops. Start by switching to the high-performance power plan in Windows settings. This prioritizes gaming over battery life, ensuring your laptop uses full CPU and GPU capabilities for Terraria. Install MSI Afterburner to monitor your laptop's temperature. This tool displays real-time GPU and CPU temps, helping you spot overheating before it causes issues. Overheating leads to thermal throttling, where your laptop automatically slows down CPU and GPU to prevent damage. This can drop FPS significantly during gameplay. Undervolting your CPU reduces the voltage supplied, lowering heat generation and preventing throttling. Tools like Throttle Stop can help adjust voltage curves safely. Elevating your laptop with stands or books improves airflow to intake vents, helping fans cool components more effectively and reducing thermal buildup. Looking ahead, several emerging trends and alternative solutions can help Terraria players achieve better performance without relying solely on current hardware limitations. Cloud gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce Now offer a compelling alternative. These platforms stream Terraria from high-performance cloud servers, delivering stable frame rates regardless of your local hardware. This approach bypasses GPU and CPU limitations entirely, making the game accessible on underpowered devices. Looking to the future, Relogic has hinted at incorporating Vulkan API support in upcoming updates. Vulkan is a modern graphics API that could reduce overhead on AMD GPUs by 10 to 15%, potentially delivering smoother performance in mod-heavy Terraria worlds compared to the current DirectX-only approach. The growing adoption of solid-state drives, or SSDs, is another positive trend. SSDs dramatically reduce world loading times and eliminate stuttering that can occur during gameplay. Upgrading from traditional hard drives to SSDs has been shown to improve Terraria performance by up to 40% in benchmarks, making large modded worlds much more playable. When optimization efforts reach their limits, hardware upgrades become the most reliable solution. Investing in a modern GPU from NVIDIA's RTX series or AMD's RX 6000 series, along with additional RAM, can provide the performance boost needed for smooth Terraria gameplay, especially with demanding mods or during intense boss battles.